It's now time for Honk the car, Toot the boat, and Swo-Swoosh the helicopter in another of their happy adventures. It's a lovely day in Springland. Morning foal, morning flowers, morning bee. There's Honk the car. Hey, what's that?
Hello, Honk,
Calls Swo-Swoosh.
what are you looking at?
Asks Swo-Swoosh.
Hello, Swo-Swoosh. I don't know what they are, Swo-Swoosh.
Says Honk.
I know, they're a pair of shoes.
Says Swo-Swoosh.
What's a shoe, Swo-Swoosh?
A shoe goes on your foot. It covers and protects your foot. I wonder whose shoes they are. Why don't we go and ask Toot? Good morning, Toot.
Calls Swo-Swoosh.
Good morning, Swo-Swoosh.
Hello, Toot.
Honk explained to Toot that he had found these pair of shoes next to the side of the road.
But we don't know who they belong to, Toot.
Why don't you go around Springland and ask everyone if they saw anyone lose a pair of shoes?
Says Toot.
Does everyone wear shoes, Toot?
Not cars like you, Honk, or boats like me. Animals don't wear shoes either. Only humans wear shoes.
Well, I don't have feet. I have tires. But animals have feet.
Yes, they do, but their feet are meant for the outdoors. They don't need shoes. I wonder who these shoes belong to.
Let's go find out if anyone knows who owns these shoes. Come on, Swo-Swoosh. You bring the shoes.
Wow, nice shoes. Can I try them on?
Asked Croak.
Sure, go ahead, Croak.
Hey, what are these strings?
Those are called laces, Croak. They keep the shoes on your feet.
Oh dear, Croak doesn't know the proper way to tie his laces.
There, I did it.
Says Croak, not realizing what he has done.
Are you all right, Croak?
Oh, yes. But what happened?
You didn't tie them correctly, Croak. You're not supposed to tie the shoes together. Each shoe has to be tied on by itself.
Explains Swo-Swoosh.
Do you know who lost these shoes, Croak?
Asks Honk.
No, I don't. I didn't see any humans lose their shoes.
Okay. Swo-Swoosh and I are trying to find the owner.
Hey, neat shoes.
Exclaims Floppy.
We found these shoes, Floppy. We've been looking for anyone who might have seen the owner.
Where did you find them, Honk?
They were on the side of the road by the bridge.
Explains Honk.
Maybe someone took them off to go swimming near the bridge and then forgot to put them back on.
I don't think anyone forgot them, actually. Look at that large hole on the bottom. I think someone threw them away.
You mean no one needs them? Yippee! I'll use them. I'll be the first animal in Springland to use shoes.
But animals don't use shoes, Floppy. Shoes are meant for people. Animals don't need or use shoes as they have strong feet. Don't forget to wear shoes whenever you go outside. Have fun, everybody. Bye-bye, Honk. Bye-bye, Toot. Bye, Swo-Swoosh. See you next time.